CYPELEC Switchboard is a program for designing the enclosures that are present in electrical installations, such as cabinets, panels, and switchboards. To get started, we can link the file to a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform and become part of the collaborative workflow provided by Open BIM technology. If the project includes information from low-voltage electrical system design programs such as CYPELEC Core, CYPELEC REBT, or CYPELEC NF, the switchboards are imported with their switchgear, including the definition of bus bars and bridge lines. CYPELEC Switchboard also allows us to design enclosures from scratch. To do this, a tree appears on the left-hand side of the program interface, where we can edit or add distribution panels, specifying whether or not they have bus bars, and modify their properties. Next, we define the switchgear of each switchboard, specifying the reference and the type of component, which includes circuit breakers, fuses, residual current devices, or magnetic starters, among others. We define their polarity as well as their properties and dimensions, choosing the manufacturer and model from the catalogue, and we specify the inlet and outlet bridges. Now, we create boxes by specifying their geometrical parameters such as width, depth, and the number and height of the vertical modules. We complete the definition of each box by graphically arranging the compartments and tracks in a separate editing window, and place it in the viewer. Next, we add the switchgear elements by selecting each of them from the list of elements available in the single line diagram, with or without including the elements of lower levels and defining the maximum number of elements to include, and we place them in the viewer. Via the bus bar group, we enter the bus bars defined in the single line diagram or the user-defined loose bars. Finally, we add the bridge lines between the arranged elements, selecting their colour and drawing them in the viewer. The program allows us to edit and activate the view on the BIM model of the distribution panels to generate the visual representation of the boxes and the elements entered in the 3D view. This way, their dimensions can be compared with those of the three-dimensional elements imported from programs such as CYPELEC Distribution. The program provides the drawings of the distribution panels with switchgear and busbar tags and representation of bridge lines, as well as a drawing of switchgear tags. Authorised project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIMserver.center platform, allowing them to access all the information from any device at any time.